Hi everyone, today we are going to do an activity and the activity name is explain with an activity to observe the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the spherical mirror. Now we are going to do an activity with a spherical mirror called concave mirror, and for this activity we want materials, a V stand. So I'm going to take a V stand. So this is called V stand. Then we will take a concave mirror of known focal length. So we're going to take a concave mirror whose focal length is 10 centimeter, and we are going to take a candle. I already lit the candle with the matchbox. So we required a meter square. So you can take the scale, also you can mark on a chart or in a table like this. First, what we have to do, we have to arrange the diagram as like this. First now we have to take a V stand and place the concave mirror on it. So I am going to take V stand and place the concave mirror on it. After that, you have to take a candle and lit it using matchbox and place it in front of the mirror at different distances and find the sharp image using paper in each case. What we have to do, will take a candle and lit it using matchbox. You have to place it in front of this V stand at various distances like this, at 48 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 20 centimeter. You have to place it in front of the concave mirror at various distances. For suppose I placed this V stand approximately at 0 centimeter. Now I placed a candle at 48 centimeter. Now you have to note down this object distance. Now here we have to note down object distance. Right now you can see it is 48 centimeter. You can see it is at 48 centimeter. The markings are not clear. And after that, you have to take a white screen or a paper which we call it as white screen. Just now you have to place in front of the concave mirror. But before that, always place flame of the candle should be above principal axis. As per the diagram, it's very important. Always place candle in such a way its flame should be above this principal axis, or a line joining or passing through optic center and focus and center of curvature is called principal axis. And always you have to place the screen below this principal axis, and you have to adjust to get sharp image. Always adjust the screen or paper to get sharp image. Now right now you can see I placed a candle in front of the concave mirror at 48 centimeter. Now object distance is 48 centimeter. So U equal to 48. Now you have to take a screen. Now you have to adjust in such a way, like for suppose I'm adjusting, you see yes, when you can see clearly, like yes, you have to move to and fro till you get sharp image. So clearly you can see, I can see a sharp image very clearly. Now, but if I move little backward, little front, the image get disturbed. But at a particular point, you will get a sharp image. And at this sharp image, you have to hold the screen like that, and you have to measure the image distance. If you see carefully, the image distance is approximately 12 centimeter. Now like this, you have to place candle at different distances, and you have to take the paper or screen and you have to place below the principal axis, and you have to adjust the screen to get sharp images. Now wherever you get a sharp image, there you have to stop and you have to calculate image distance. So children, very good. Now we have placed object distance at 48 centimeter. Approximately we get sharp image at 12 or 13 centimeter. And what is its size? Is it small or bigger than the candle's object flame? Is it real or virtual? It is inverted or erected? That you have to find out. See, if you can capture on the screen, it is real image. And you can see that flame is inverted on the screen, so it is inverted image. And you can see the flame is smaller than the candle's flame. Let us see once again. You can see the candle's flame little bigger. Now I am going to keep the screen like this. So move the screen. Once again you can see like very good. Now you can see very clearly the flame is smaller than the object flame. So it is, the size of the flame is diminished. And it is reverse, you can see, so the flame is inverted. And we can capture on the paper now or screen, so the images, real images. Like this, you have to continue the activity by placing the candle at various distances, and you have to move the screen, find sharp image, and find the characteristics of the image. Is it smaller or bigger or same size, or it is real or virtual, or it is inverted or erected. Now slowly you have to repeat this activity. Once again you have to place the candle at other position, and you have to find image distance. You have to find its size, or real or virtual, inverted or erected. But in the lab activity, when you write in exam, you have to leave the table empty. But if you see the overall answers, we have many places for an object. Firstly, we'll keep at infinity, beyond C, on C, between F and C, on focus, between P and F. Let me show this. Okay, now I said the focal length of concave mirror is 10 centimeter. So the focus will be at 10 and the center of curvature will be at 20. Now initially I'll place the candle at very far. So it is called object at infinity. Now I'll place just in front of the C. It's called object beyond the C. Then I'll place the candle on C. Then I'll place the candle on between C and F, on F, between P and F. Okay, and this particular, wherever this concave mirror is there, that is pole actually. Now by placing this candle at these various positions, you have to take the screen, you have to find the sharp image, you have to note down its characteristics like size, real or virtual, inverted or erected. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Let me start annual revision from today onwards. Like every day, I'll post one video with one important activity or answer with concerned activity also. Today I am going to discuss one activity from the first chapter, and whoever going to write this SSC exams in this academic year, if you can follow these PDFs and these question answers are sufficient to get 10 by 10 in physical sciences. Now firstly, day 1 topic, we are going to deal with an activity. Explain with an activity to observe the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the spherical mirror. Now here we are going to find the nature of images for various object distances for concave mirror. So whenever you see the question, you have to write aim like this. From the question itself, you start from 2 actually, to observe the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the spherical mirror. Then you have to write what are the materials required for doing this activity. We required a wriststand, concave mirror whose focal length is known, a paper which acts like screen, candle, matchbox, a scale or a meter scale. Now for doing this activity, we need to take some precautions actually. Handle all the apparatus carefully, note down the observations clearly. Always keep the candle in such a way, flame should be above principal axis. This is very important. When you look at the diagram, you can see this is the basic diagram. If you place a concave mirror, and this is called as principal axis, always place the candle in such a way the flame should be above principal axis, and whenever you are moving the screen, it should be placed always below the principal axis. It's very important. Flame should be above principal axis, screen should be below principal axis. Now handle all the apparatus carefully, note down the observation clearly, keep the candle in such a way flame should be above principal axis, place the paper below the principal axis, and always adjust the screen or paper to get sharp image. In this activity, every time what we do, we will place candle in front of the concave mirror at a certain distance, and after lighting it, we will place the screen below the principal axis. We will be moving to and fro, back in front, till we get a sharp image. Once you get sharp image, there you have to stop. You should note down this object distance, this image distance, and you have to note down the nature of this image actually. So after writing precautions, you have to draw this diagram. Then we'll go to the procedure. Take a waiststand and place the concave mirror on it. Take a candle and lit it using matchbox and place it in front of the mirror at different distances and find sharp image using paper in each case. Make sure flame of the candle should be above principal axis and adjust the screen below the principal axis. Note down the nature of the sharp image. Also note down object distance, image distance. Here our aim is to keep candle at different places in front of the mirror and moving the screen below the principal axis till you get sharp image. Then you have to note down object distance, image distance, the size of the flame, small or big or same size, real or virtual, inverted or erected. These characteristics you have to note down in a table. But in examination, after writing procedure observation, I observe that you have to draw 2 tables. The tables can be empty, but make sure the first table, serial number, object distance, image distance, size, real or virtual, inverted, erected, it should be empty actually. And the second table, you try to fill like this, which already we might have learned it. So these 2 tables you have to write in observation. Then now we'll shift to the result and conclusion. So hence, to find the nature of concave mirror activity is done. Conclusion, I understood that concave mirror can form different images like inverted, erected, diminished, and last real, virtual. So every activity you have to write like this, following the steps, then no doubt you'll get full marks. So this is day 1 topic. Also a concerned activity also did and uploaded. Watch this. So it's a task of day 1. Finish this answer and learn it. Thank you.